Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to be having some puzzles today. I'm looking forward to enjoying the time with you. I hope you're enjoying your summer so far and you're able to find ways to at least enjoy yourself. And so today we're going to have some good times doing puzzles. This is for everyone. There's going to be something for everyone to enjoy. So I'm looking forward to this experience with you, and I hope you're also looking forward to it. Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? Please just respond if you can hear me. Okay. All right, thank you. Thank you for that. Sorry for those who were not able to hear me earlier. All right, so we're going to start with our quizzes. We have a few of them, and they're very lighthearted, nothing too serious. We want to make sure that you can enjoy it regardless of your grade. Yes, thank you, Simi. Okay, so we're going to start with a number detective. They're not a lot of math. I think we have probably two math puzzles today. Everything else is non-math related. So we have a number detective here, and it's going to be 5 days of getting clues, and we're going to see what number we arrive at. For those who are new to the session, welcome. Over the school semester, we did a lot of math, but now that it's summer, we want to do something that is lighter, and also we want to do something that is more informative. So we'll try to do informative things on Thursdays and lighter things on Tuesdays. So we just want to make sure that you have a good time. Okay, so this is your chance to, let's see if you can help the detective determine the secret number. This detective is trying to find a secret number. Let's try to help him out. So we got our secret number has 4 digits, 19992. The secret number is less than 9,000. The secret number is greater than 2,000. The smallest digit is in the ones place. Right after the comma, you'll find a pair of upside down sixes. So I'm going to give you all a chance to try to answer the puzzle, and then we'll try to get it together. Anyone trying this? Anyone trying this puzzle? Finding it easy, difficult? So let's go over the puzzle again. We're looking for a secret number, and this secret number contains these digits, 19992, and the secret number is less than 9,000. The secret number is also greater than 2,000. The smallest digit is in the ones place. Right after the comma, you'll find a pair of upside down sixes. All right, looks like we have a response so far. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I always enjoy when you all respond. All right, Chidi Ebube, thank you for joining us. I don't think I've seen you before, so you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll give maybe a few more people a chance to respond, and then we'll try to get this together, and then we'll go over to the next puzzle. I think the next puzzle is non-mathematical, so there's no math in the next puzzle. It's just it's going to be English reading stuff. Okay, so we have 4 digits. So we have 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have the secret number is less than 9,000. So that means our 9 cannot go here. So 9 cannot go here. The secret number is greater than 2,000. Okay, so that's good information to know. The smallest digit is in the ones place. What is the smallest digit here? It's 1. It's going to be in this position. Right after the comma, you'll find a pair of upside down sixes. So we have 6 right here. So your upside down sixes are going to look like that. So that's your 9. So right after the comma, you're going to have your 9s. And then the only number left over is 2. So your number is going to be 2,991. Okay, that's good. So everyone who attempted it got it right. So now let's go to the next puzzle. All right. So in this puzzle, Marvin the Monkey is trying to say something, is trying to ask for something. This is what you're going to need to decode what he's trying to say. We're going to change all the M's to A's, change all the J's to N, change the R to an S, change the A to E, change the K to a B, Z to a M. So you see all the instructions here. I want you all to try and see what is Marvin asking for. What is Marvin the Monkey asking for? All right, Jaden, good job, good job, good job with your response. What is Marvin the Monkey asking for? So this is all for you to just have a good time, you know. Uh, all you have to do is follow all the what it's saying here is how to decode the message. Just follow all those steps and you will get to the answer. So let's look, I'm going to show you an example just so you can understand what to do. So it says change all the M's to A's. So let's look for M. So this is going to be, I'm going to put it up here. So this is going to be an A right here, an A right here, an A right here, A, A, A. Let's see, any other M's? A. So that's pretty much what you have to do. So you're going to just follow the instructions for decoding the puzzle and for decoding the message and you'll get it. I'm waiting for the first person to come up with the message that Marvin the Monkey is trying to send to whoever. May I have a banana sandwich? Oh, that's nice. Wow, that's nice. Chidiebube, that is very good. Good job. Good job. Let's see whether that's right. We're going to do it together to see if that's right. But good job for responding and for getting it done quickly. If you're joining us for the first time, please go ahead and like our channel so that you'll be able to get information once we upload them. We'll be doing a lot of different things this summer and there'll be things that will be very helpful to you. We have a bunch of interesting things lined up for students, for parents and all of that. So I'm sure you will enjoy, you will be happy that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, may I have a banana sandwich? All right, let's do it together. It looks like everyone is in a good spot. So let's do it together. So we have J's to N's. So we have an N here, we have an N here, we have an N here. So we're done with that, I believe. Change the R to S. Where's the R? So that's an S. Change A to E. So we got an E here. Change K to B. So that is going to be here. So we got that, banana. Change the Z to an M. Where's the Z? Okay, that's an M here. Any other Z? No. Change the L's to I's. So that's I right here. I right here. Okay. Let's change the F to a C. Where's the F? That's a C right here. Where's another F? Change all the F's to C's. Let's see. Okay, what about U to W? B, U to W. Okay, so we want to change B to a D. B to a D. O to a Y. So we have a Y there. Q to an H. And then what about C? C to a V. All right, and Q to an H right here. So that's correct. May I have a banana sandwich? Wonderful. Great job, everyone. So that's what Marvin the Monkey is asking for. Marvin the Monkey is asking for a banana sandwich. Wonderful. All right, so let's go to the next one. All right, so here we're looking at our, this is another, I think there are probably 2 or 3. This is probably either this last one or maybe one more after this. We're looking at a number detective here, and I always like to do something with fractions, but this one is actually a lot easier than it looks. So I see a pie that was cut into 4 pieces. 3/4 of the pie was eaten. What fraction is left? So we got a pie that's cut into 4 pieces. 4 pieces. 3 of the pieces are eaten. So what is left? I see a cake cut up into 8 pieces. So let's assume that our cake is a circular cake. So our cake is cut into 8 pieces and 6 pieces were eaten. What fraction is left? I see a pizza that was cut into a half dozen slices. A half dozen slices. So what is a half dozen? So hint, a dozen is 12 pieces. Dozen equal to 12. I saw a giant chocolate chip cookie that was cut into 2 pieces. Both parts were eaten. What fraction is left? Add all your fraction answers to find the secret number. So we're trying to get the secret number here, and these are all the clues that you need to think about to get to the secret number. So we got a half dozen slices. Okay, so there are 6 slices and 3 of them were eaten. So these 3 are gone out of the 6. And here you have 8 pieces and then 6 of them were eaten. So you got 4 here, 6. So you know what's left. So let's see who comes up with the answer first. So let me give you a hint here. So you have 3/4 are eaten. What is left? So the fraction left is 1/4 here. Here you have 6 pieces eaten. What fraction is left? You have 2/8 here. And here you have 3 pieces were eaten out of 6. What is left? So 3 out of 6 will be left. And here's a trick question. Here you're saying that a giant chocolate chip cookie was cut into 2 parts, and what happens? Both parts were eaten, so you have nothing left here actually. So this is a big 0, and we're going to add up all the numbers to get our secret number. Hello Jordan, good to have you. So we're going to add all these numbers together. So you have 1/4, and then 2/8, you can reduce that by dividing by 2. So that's another 1/4, and then we're adding 3/6. We can reduce that again, and then you have 1/2 here, and then you're going to add 1/2. So what you can do now, perfect, okay, semi-solar, that is good. So now we have 1/4 plus 1/4, that is 2/4, which is the same as 2/4 plus 1/2. 2/4 is the same as 1/2 plus 1/2, which is equal to 1. So that's going to give you 1. So the secret number here is 1, but we're trying to use some fractions. 6/18 or 2/9. What is our number? Okay, so what you're going to do here is just identify the fractions, and in some instances you have to reduce the fractions to get to your desired answer. So the secret number is 1. What an interesting way to get to 1. All right. With that in mind, I want to get to something more interesting to you all. I didn't get a lot of response on this one, so I'm sure people were not in the mood for fractions. All right. So remember, this is just to have fun. We're just having a good time. That's why we're using a detective. But I was thinking, as I was looking for this type of question, as a detective, you have to think very widely. You have to think a lot. You have to think a lot as a detective. You have to make sure that you understand all the different ways to go about a problem. I'm sure you probably watch a lot of detective shows. You see they're always having to think outside the box. They think they have to be able to figure out what the other person was thinking when they did something. So that's kind of what we're trying to do. But most of all, just enjoy it. And if you have any questions about it, just go ahead and ask. If you feel like you didn't really get why we got to the answer, just feel free to ask as well. So I just want to remind you again that we're having a summer program. And for those who are joining us for the first time, this summer program is geared to help you prepare for the next school year. It's also to help you finish up your curriculum from the previous school year. We're going to be helping you with math, science, language arts, and then for the older students, we have SAT, ACT, and it's going to be all done online. It's going to be different from this because you're going to only be with a student in your grade, and it's going to be very engaging. Our goal is to make sure that you have a good time with it while you're learning. So there's going to be a lot of interaction, but you also get to meet new people. You get to meet new students from other states. Guess what? You could even make new friends, through this session. So I look forward to, you guys reaching out to us and joining the session. We've had a few start already, and it's been so exciting. And the students are learning and also getting to meet new people. So look forward to you joining us. And so let's go to the next puzzle. If you have any questions about this, there's a way to reach us. You can let your parents know that you're interested, and we'll be glad to have you in our sessions. So what we're going to do here is we have some hints, and we're trying to come up with the word. So what is the word? This is a rain cover. It starts with a U, and then you can see it has about 8 letters. So what is that word going to be? Onyekachi, good afternoon. Nena, good afternoon. It's good to have you. Thank you for joining us. So we're looking for the word. You're going to come up with the word that is described. So number 1 says rain cover. What word do you think that is? Yes, Jordan, it's 1. What is a rain cover? It starts with a U. Whenever you're out in the rain, you put it over your head to protect you from the rain. Umbrella. All right. Okay, Fred, thank you for joining. You're welcome. Umbrella. Simi, that's good. Okay, David. Thanks for joining. So we got umbrella, milkshake, Mary, and balloons. Okay, let's see if you're right. Umbrella, milkshake, Mary, balloons. Oh, everyone is having a good time with this. Umbrella. So let's see, umbrella. Let's see if that's right. Umbrella. Okay, that seems to be correct. All right. Milkshake, an ice cream drink. Milkshake. And who had a little lamb? That was Mary. Mary had a little lamb. Let's see. Let's check our spelling. That's one of the things here. You have to check your spelling. A birthday celebration decoration. I can see everyone is trying to spell balloon, but let's see how you spell it. Okay, so we have B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. All right, everyone has done good. Thank you for your participation. I always enjoy your participation, so please keep it coming. All right, all right. So you all are doing well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip the next math one because I want us to do some non-math, more of the non-math stuff today. All right, so we have some more words. What is a five-pointed ocean crater? Let's see if we're going to do this. This one's a little bit more challenging than the first one. You know, I want to make sure you have an easy one first. And let's see how you do with this one. A five-pointed ocean crater. Let's see what that is going to be. Concrete pathway, electronic number finder, and a hopping animal. A five-pointed ocean crater. All right. Wow. Simi, you're on a roll today. That's pretty good. Last one is kangaroo. Wow. Everyone is, yeah. They're doing good. Everyone is doing a good job. Everyone is doing a good job today. Kangaroo. Okay. So let's see, everyone seems to think this is kangaroo, so let's see if that works. So we have K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Okay, that seems to work. So everyone thinks the first one seems to be starfish. All right, Nena, that is good. So the first one seems to be starfish from what I'm seeing here from everyone. Starfish. Concrete pathway. So let's see if everyone else agrees. I see sidewalk, street walk. Motoma, welcome aboard. Thanks for joining. You can see calculator. Okay, so calculator. And so we're looking for the concrete pathway. So let's see what your answers are going to be. So I see starfish, sidewalk, calculator, kangaroo. Okay, I see starfish, street walk. Don't forget your answer has to have the same number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can only have 8 letters in your answer for concrete pathway. I see sidewalk. Okay, sidewalk seems to be what everyone thinks. So sidewalk. So we have sidewalk, calculator. Well, everyone is, this is good. This is good. Everyone is engaged, so that is good. So anyone have any questions on anything? We have one more puzzle, and that one is going to make you think a whole lot. Starfish. So Onyekachi done a good job. Simi is doing well. Everyone is doing well. Jadine, Nena. Everyone is doing well. Okay, someone says bring it on. I like that. Bring it on. All right. Everyone ready for me to bring it on for the next puzzle? All right, okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Two mothers and their three daughters go out for a meal. They order 4 plates of food and they each get a plate. How can this be possible? How could this be possible? So this is where this one is open to everyone, of course. I'm actually curious to see who's going to be able to give me some good explanations. Let's do it. Yes, I like that, Jordan. Let's do it. So you have two mothers and their three daughters going out for a meal. They order 4 plates of food and they each get a plate. How could this be possible? I like that. That's a good response. One mother is pregnant. I love that. That's good thinking. Good thinking. Okay, I see. Okay, one mother is pregnant. I see another serving the plate they ate with hands. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. I like the fact that you all are thinking. You're thinking outside the box. Let's keep going. I'm actually enjoying this. So I see it's not possible. They can't each get 1 plate. 5 is bigger than 4. It is, in this case, it's possible. They are both pregnant with twins. I like that. They are both pregnant with twins. Yes, let's keep going. I mean, you guys are really thinking outside the box. You all are thinking outside the box. It's exciting to see you all and to get your response. One is pregnant. One of them shared. No, nobody shared. Everybody got 1 plate. Every single person got a plate. Okay, okay. This is good. This is good. 3 generations. Ah, okay, okay. I think I like that one too. Can you explain a bit more? 3 generations. The waiter brought each a plate because it was a buffet. That's interesting. Well, I'm seeing some people getting close, okay? They're actually 2 mothers, but one of them is actually a daughter. Keep it light, enjoy yourselves, don't get too serious about it. Everyone ready for the answer? I like what Izina is actually saying. That's very close to the answer. So there's a grandma, there's a mom, and there's a daughter. So we need to make sure we account for 3 daughters. I think you're on the right path, Izina. You're on the right path. They pass the plate around to each other. That's good. That's good. That's good. So lots of good thinking here. So what I'm going to show you is something like this. This is what actually happened. I see, I think Izina and Anastasia have been the closest. And I think there was somebody else that said there were 3 generations. That was actually very smart. That was very smart. I like that. One mother did not eat. Well, you could say that, but in this case, everyone got a plate and everyone was going to be able to eat. All right, it was 3 generations. All right, let me show you what actually happened. So here you had, let me draw it out. So we had a grandma, and then we had a mother here, and the mother had 2 daughters, child 1 and child 2. So let's see, how did this happen? How could you possibly have 2 mothers and 3 daughters? The grandma is a mother, so let's look here, mother and daughter. The grandma is a mother, so there's 1 mother here. The mother is a mother, but also a daughter, and then you have 2 children, 2 daughters. So that's how you have 2 mothers and 3 daughters, and you can see that we only have 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how that happened. That is how it happened. Actually, you guys were really close. I really liked some of the things you were saying, thinking outside the box. That was really exciting to see. Where do I find them? Sometimes I make them up. So that was fun. That was fun. I really enjoyed that. So let's do one more puzzle before we end. We'll do one more puzzle. This one may be a math one, but it shouldn't be too difficult. Nobody is stupid. Just enjoy yourself. Have a good time. You don't need to say all those things. Just enjoy yourselves. We're here to have a good time. All right, so this is going to be our last puzzle. This is a math one. So this is a mixed number. Remember what a mixed number is? A mixed number is a fraction where you have a whole number and then you have a proper fraction right here. So we're going to find all of these numbers. The first digit is in the tens place. It's equal to the number of thumbs I have. Okay, so when we're looking at 10 in the tens place, it tells me there are going to be two digits for the whole number. So the number of thumbs I have, twice that. The second digit is the quotient of 300 divided by 50. So when you divide 300 by 50, what number do you get? The fraction part is the number of this number is a unit fraction. The fraction part is equal to a quarter. So let's see what everyone comes up with. So don't forget, for this you have to use all the clues to get to the answer. I see some answers already. I see 26 and 1/4, 1/4. I see 46 and 1/5, 46 and 2/8. So don't forget this. It's a unit fraction. Don't forget what it means to be a unit fraction. All right, I can see some good answers. Never mind, it's 46. Okay. All right. So everyone is getting a good answer. Most of you are close, actually. Okay, so I think we got good answers here for the 6 and 1/4. All right, let's go ahead and try to answer this. The secret number is a mixed number. The first digit is in the tens place, so it's going to be right here, tens place. And it says it's twice the number of thumbs I have. I have 2 thumbs. 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4. The second digit is the quotient of 300 divided by 50. So 300 divided by 50. I'm going to cancel zeros out. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So it's going to give us 6. The fraction part of this number is a unit fraction, which means that your numerator is 1. So your numerator is 1. And the fraction part of this is equal to a quarter. So that is a quarter. So that's pretty much it for the 6 1/4. Thanks for your participation. I mean, that's all this is about. Just something enjoyable. If you have any questions about why we did it the way we did it, feel free to ask as well. I really enjoyed your responses to the question about the 2 mothers and 3 daughters. That was actually exciting. That was so fun. I think I'm going to find some more for next week. Some more like that. Maybe we'll do quite a few, just so that we can just think outside the box a bit. And I think that I'll think about doing more of that next time. I think you guys enjoyed that a lot. Do you guys feel like maybe another question, another puzzle? Do you guys want another puzzle? If you want another puzzle, we got some time. If you want another puzzle, I'll get you one. Okay. Everyone wants one more puzzle. Let me get one more puzzle from my list of puzzles, and I'll post it right in a second. So what are you all doing for the summer while I get the puzzle? Anything you guys doing fun for the summer? What are you all doing for the summer? I'm curious to see what you're doing. Anybody traveling or maybe going to visit grandparents or anything like that? Okay, lots of swimming. All right. Lots of swimming. That's good. That's good. About to get you a really good puzzle. I want something that you all are so smart. I'm going to find something that's going to make you think. Let me do this one and see what you guys what you guys do with it. All right, let's try this one. Let's try this one. So your parents have 6 sons, including you, and each son has 1 sister. How many people are there in the family? Let's see what you all think. 15, 14, okay, all right. Good stuff, good stuff. Good stuff. Let's see what else. I'm seeing 15, 14, all right. 14. Wow, this is this is quite interesting. Why do you all think 14, 15, 16? Why you all think that? I see a lot of 14, 15, and 16 out. Somebody want to try explain why you have that? So your parents have 6 sons, okay, including you, and each son has 1 sister. How many people are in the family? Because there are 6 sons and 6 sisters, which is 12 plus the parents, which is 2, that equals 14. That is very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. You guys want to know the answer? 26. Wow, that's interesting too. Two plus 7 equal to 9 plus 7 equal to 16. Well, everyone has a very unique approach to this. That is really good. Six sons, including you, which means that you're part of the 6 sons. All right. I see everyone has a really good take on this. So 15, 16. Okay, I think I have enough that I can try to show you the trick here. This is actually very tricky. So I understand if you're thinking mathematically, yes. But I wanted to actually make it look like it's mathematical, but it's more logical. So it has to be 14. Okay, so we have, these are the parents, right? So let's call this mom, this is dad. And we have 6 male children. And then there's a sister here. So let's call it first boy, second boy, third boy, fourth boy, fifth boy, and 6th boy. And then you have 1 sister. Or we can say 1 sister. Let's call it S1. So here's what we have. We're told that the parents have 6 sons, including you, and each son has 1 sister. So let's look at this. How many sisters does this person have? 1. What about this one? 1. What about this one? 1. What about this one? 1. Here, only 1 sister. This one also has only one sister. So how many people are there in the family? You got 2 parents, 6 brothers, and 1 sister. 2 plus 6 plus 1, 9. That was quite interesting. That was quite interesting. I wasn't sure what to expect with this question, but everyone is shaking their head. That's good. So that was fun. That was actually fun. That was fun. So you guys did well though. You all did well. I like your reasoning though. Like even if you didn't get the exact answer, I like your reasoning. I can tell that you're thinking about it. You're thinking deeply about the question. So that is good. And so that's really, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe so that when we have this next week, you can get notified. And then on Thursday, when we have our session on Thursday, you'll also get notified. So let's do something. Do you guys want more of this next week? You all want more of this next week? All right, let me know what you guys want. Okay, okay, all right, that's good. Okay, so next week we're going to do a lot more puzzles, and I'll try to make sure I balance it out with more logical things so that you guys can think and have a good time. And so that's really what we have for today's puzzle session. We'll be having another one next week, but on Thursday, which is 2 days from now, we're going to have our session is going to be informational. We're going to be talking about scholarships. I am sure your parents will be excited to hear about that. So we'll talk about scholarships, what you need to do to get scholarships, what a scholarship is, and and this is to prepare you for college. So those, if you have older siblings going to college, or you know anyone that is thinking of going to college or is planning to go to college, let them know we're going to be talking about how to get scholarships, the different types, some of them that you don't even have to write an essay for. We're going to cover so many types of scholarships. So we'll be doing that on Thursday at 1 p.m. Central Time. So normal time that we have our sessions. And so that's what we're going to be doing on Thursday. And if you're also interested in our summer programs, let us know. We'll be glad to have you in our program. The program is really exciting. You get to meet lots of different students from different states, and you get to meet new people. So that's the idea, is to make sure that you have you have an exciting summer, but you don't also forget everything you've learned in school. So that's what we're trying to do. So I look forward to the opportunity to have you in our summer program. And most of all, I thank you guys for joining our session today. I thank you for just your patience and all of that stuff, but being with us and having a good time, spending an hour of your summer with me today on Tuesday, that means the world to me. And so I look forward to hanging out with you again next week, Tuesday. And for those of you that are interested in learning about scholarships, feel free to join us on Thursday. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be informational. Tell your parents that there's going to be a time to learn about scholarships and what you have to do to prepare yourself to take advantage of those scholarships. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I look forward to hanging out with you again next week and on Thursday for those of you that will be there. Be blessed. Before we go, if there's any question or any topics that maybe you went through in school that you did not understand, be sure to let us know. These are the different ways to contact us. So just let us know that you're struggling with this, and always remember that you also have an opportunity to learn with a group if you can join our summer program as well. But on Tuesday next week, if there's something you want us to cover that is important to your learning, we'll also do that. This is your session actually. What we want to do is want to give you something to enjoy puzzles with. But if there's something else that is more pressing to you or more important, in your school life, let us know. We'll be able to help you address those as well. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. God bless you all.